Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone black screen problem of death. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, we have charge iPhone run out of power. At least 30 minutes, then you can try to turn your iPhone. Check if the problem is solved or not your problem solved. Section 2, for restart your iPhone, press the up and press the down and power hold and power button, then restart your device. So guys, enter your passcode. Now tap on setting. Now tap on general, tap on software. After doing the update your iOS version, after this go back. And last method, refresh with reboot on laptop. And after doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.